We're about to hit Ellis Island, one of the best and cheapest restaurants in Vegas. So let's do it. So we're in the Ellis Island Casino now, and the diner is located right over there. We're on here. Bella. Alright guys, we're at Ellis Island. This gem in Vegas, supposedly. This place is one of the best diners, and I love breakfast food, and Vegas has some really good breakfast food. So the appeal here is that most of the items are really cheap compared to a lot of the other Vegas prices, and they have a $6.99 steak and egg deal. So being the fatty that I am, I'm gonna get 2.
To be honest, the size, bro. The size looks good. The sides as well are really good. And also, everything here is cheap. If you want beer, bro, beer is $2.50. That's cheap, bro. Come to Ellis Island.
The food is here. Oh, there. Got salad for the prime rib. So I got the 2 steak and eggs because I'm a big boy and I'm really hungry. Wow. This looks absolutely insane. About to devour this. Let's see your burger, Dark. This is the hangover burger. For the hangover. See this. What is this? Ooh. Tell us what you got there.
So this is the king cut ribeye. It's 12 ounces with mashed potatoes. It's supposed to be the best thing they have here.
Oh yeah. It's supposed to be the best thing.
And also Sergio was telling us this is the cheapest like ribeye you can get. Like usually this meal would be like $30.
Prime rib right here. Prime rib right there. He's the only one that got it blackened. And I got the 2 steak and eggs. I'm gonna take a bite and tell you how it tastes. So I'm very impressed. I don't know if you see it, but they actually cooked this steak medium, and it is very, very juicy. All right, so I'm stuffed. I almost finished my 2 steaks. This is the aftermath right here. I'll show them. Still got some eggs left, the potatoes. But Sergio has told us that the cheesecake here is to die for. So we're about to get some cheesecake, boys. Apparently they bake their own cheesecake here. The ice cream on the side. So this is the famous cheesecake, and I'm about to go in on this. So what say you about this cheesecake?
Don't go to Cheesecake Factory, bro. Alright. Come to Ellis Island.
This is the best cheesecake I've ever had in my life because it's very light, yeah, very creamy.
The base is really flaky. It's like a thin, hard piece of crisp. I don't know what you call it. That bread?
It's fire, bro.
It's just really good. It's just really flaky cheesecake. It's delicious. Like Omar's nipples. Perfection.
Leave me alone.
So the cheapest diner, American breakfast food in Vegas, and the best quality to price ratio. So an analysis on that cafe, it was really delicious. One of the cheapest and best cafes in Vegas for sure, not overhyped. Thank you, Sergio, for the suggestion. What do you guys think about it?
Very flavorful and well-priced ribeye. Very high quality meat. Amazing sides, amazing dessert. I give it a 9 out of 10.
Exactly. I also give it a 9 out of 10 because of the placement of the pricing and how good the food was for that price. The prime rib was really delicious. I gotta get that next time.
Yes, sir. DVW, we out. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. Do it. And stay tuned for our next food vlog.